Lasso. Tashi deleg. Ni keranzo depo imbe.
Nga depoyin.
Depoyin.
Tujiche. Okay. That's it. Lasso. That's it. Okay. Oh yeah. Till now, we have learned Tibetan sentence ending in identification and existence. Agosunga. Anju dezo jansar pare. Perna, for example, nga tenzin yin, kong yen hung re. Oh, kong and Claire reduk. Like this. Agosunga. Oh, reduk. Like this. Tene, nga yen hung min. Nga tenzin yin. Like this. Kong and Claire re. Nima mare. Like this. Agosunga. For example, ditak re, semchen ditak re, like this. Dikapar re, ditso tep re, like this. Agosuma. Till now we learned this in the form of identification. Agosuma, okay? Oh yeah. Then we learned a sentence ending in existence. Remember, you re duk. Like this. Agosuma. Nga Kathmandu la yu. Nga Kathmandu la yu. Like this. Kerang kapar yu. Kerang kapar yu. Oh, nga Kathmandu la yu. Like this. Or nga England la yu. Or nga Hamburg la yu. Nga Denmark la yu. Anything you can say. Ruba. Agosuma. You or Yuri, like this. And Claire, England la Yuri, like this. Yen Hong Kong la Yuri, like this. Nima Sogyu la Yuri, like this. Agosuma Nima Kapar Yuri, Nima Sogyu la Yuri. Nikole Kapar Yuri, Nikole Sogyu la Yuri, like this. Nyurma kapar yuri. Nyurma Thailand la yuri. Like this. Agosuma. Okay. Then Duk. Duk Agosuma. Shimi di kapar Duk. Like this. Shimi di Kangpe Nang la Duk. Or Chilog la Duk. Like this. Agosuma. We know a little bit about how to use this. Okay? Now that we know how to say it, we will now learn how to read it in the sentence. Agosuma. Okay? We have to practice this. Okay, Penna. Kerang suyin. You already know this. For example, yen hong la inda. Yen hong la. Kerang suyin.
Nga yen hong yin.
Kerang kane yin.
Nga Taiwan neng yin.
Thep di kerang ki repe. Thep di kerang ki repe.
Mare tep di kerang ki re. Nge mare.
That's it. Nge mare. That's it. Kerang ki pama kapar yure.
Kerang ki pama kapar. Nge pakma kangpe nang la yure.
That's it. Agosuma pama. Pama labna palak thang amalak. Palak thang amalak pama re. Agosuma. Okay? Like this. 되네. 야, 연홍라. 유럽라 약 유럽에.
유럽라 약 유에마레.
타이완라 약 유럽에.
타이완라 약 유에마레.
That's it. 음. 계란기 족배 민 가르래.
녜 촛배민 마레.
That's it. 계란기 족보 가파르 유래.
녜 촛보 아리라 유레.
That's it. 고성아, 배하고 연홍라 투지체.
그제체.
아니다. 어,
Tensila,
yes, please.
I mean, this is in context of the same thing. I was just thinking if I want to say Dharamsala la mokmo chasha shimpo yo, is that okay?
Yes, you or
Okay.
유래. Like it.
Yeah, or yure, yes,
응,
either.
고성아. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
다인다. McGregor라 question 인다. 드네 Anne Claire라 answer 인다.
Kerang Su Yin.
Nga England la neyin.
말은 계랑 수인.
Kerang suyen. Nga ankle yin.
That's it. 배하고. 아니?
Kerang Kane Yin.
Nga England la yin.
England.
Ne England ne yin.
That's it. 양결승아. 계랑 가네인.
Nga England ne yin.
That's it.
Tepti Kerang Ki Repe.
That's it. 양결로당.
Tepti
Tepti Kerang Ki Repe.
That's it.
tepti niemare tepti tenzeng ki re.
That's it. 배하고.
Kerang Ki Pama Pama Kane Yure.
가파르. 양결로. 가파르.
Nie pam
Kapar.
맥그레거라 양결인다.
Kerang Ki Pama Kapar Yure.
nie pama France la yere.
That's it. 네 파마 프랑스라 유래. That's it. Very good.
Yo, is that?
Very.
What's that first word?
야 나로 요.
Yo.
아니 라 나로.
What does that mean?
로b. Europe. There is no meaning. Europe.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Europe la yak Europe. Europe la yak Europe.
Europe la yakmare.
Yemare.
Yemare.
That's the negative of yure. Okay? 양결인다.
Yemare.
양결. 유럽라 약 유럽에.
Europe la yak yemare.
That's it. Fair.
Kerang ki trok pu 민 카레레 계란기 트럭푸밍 카레레
That's it.
Nie tropaming Marcelo Re.
That's it. Re. Yangasuma. Keranki Tokpuming Karere.
Nie tropaming Marcelo Re.
That's it.
계란기 트럭포 kapar yure.
That's it. Keranki Tokpo Kapar Yure.
Nie tropo Brazil Yere.
That's it.
Ne Brazil la
Yure.
Yere. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Agosuma. Brazil
Agosuma.
me from Brazil. Brazil la in Brazil. Agosuma. Okay?
Agosong.
La
Agosong.
Yure. That's it.
La Yere.
Beago.
Tendon
Sunda.
The kapar, but to ask where someone is from, do you not say kane, or do you say kane or kapar, or is it the same thing?
No. Kapar is where. Kane
Where,
is
yeah.
from where. Agosuma.
Okay.
So right now you are asking where is your friend? That's it. You are not saying where is he from. Agosuma.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Agosong.
Agosuma. Oh. Kirangi Yaku Chesong. You both did well. Thank you. Tujiche.
Thank you.
That's it. Da inda. Nicole da Siwat inda. Nicole da Siwat. Nicole gi Tiwa Loki in. Tene Siwat gi Len Japki in.
Lagin la. Kerang suin.
Nga siwat yin.
Kerang kanein.
Nga Denmark na yin.
Deputy kerang girepe.
Tepti nge mare. Tepti Tencent
Kerang gi pama kapar yore.
Pama means what? Father? Or?
Parents.
Pama.
Nge pama Denmark yure.
Denmark la.
Denmark la yure.
That's it.
Europe la yak yorepe.
Europe la yak yu mare.
That's it.
Kerang gi drop min karere.
Nge trop ming yurire.
Kerang gi drop kapar yore.
Nge trop Denmark yure.
Denmark la.
Inga nge trop Denmark la yure.
That's it. Pea po cheson. Tujiche Nicole tang Siwat la. Olas. Okay. Pea po cheson. Very good. Tadene, yeah. Nimala tang darala inda. Nimala tang darala.
La.
Darala dilo darala tiwa in. Nimala ki lenja ki.
Okay la. Kerang sure. Kerang sure.
Suyin.
Suyin. Kerang suyin.
Nimala yube. Ale Nimala mendu internet yako yosamar. Yeah. Tarala tang Nyurmala inda Nyurmala. Yeah.
Kerang Suyin.
Nga Nilma Yin.
Kerang
Mm.
인터넷하고 민도 가만히. 연결로 더 달아라 연결.
Kerang
고마성. 연결인다. 달아라 연결인다.
Aduh,
you
kok
cannot hear
gini?
me?
No.
Cannot hear.
Here, okay. Kerang Khane Yin.
That's
Nga Bangkok ni Yin.
it.
Okay. Hep Di Kerang Ki Repe.
Tepti nge kim mare. Tepti tensin gire.
배우고.
Pama Yure.
연결로 더 달아라.
Kerang Ki Kapar Yure.
계란기 파마 가파르 요리.
Kapar Yure.
Nge ki pama Thailand la yere.
배우고.
Europe la.
연결로 달아라. 인터넷하고
Okay.
연결로.
Europe yak Europe.
Europe
Hello.
Hello. Europe
Yeah.
ra yak yo mare.
That's it.
Ming Kha.
Kimin tu.
거기 민득.
Mm.
계란기 족부 민 가레레.
Oh.
Nge chokpo min ni mare.
That's it.
Kerang Ki Tropo Kapar Yure.
That's it.
Nge chokpo sokyun yere.
속율라 라체스.
Sokyun la yere.
That's it. 배워. We did good. Very good. 배우고. 체스.
Tugyoshe. Thank
투지체
you.
달아라. 니콜라 투지체. 야, 나 니말라인다. 니말라 탕나. 니말라 계란기 지월로. 되네 렌잡기.
텐진라 계란 수인
나 텐진인.
계란 카네인
나 베네인.
뎁 옆에
요요.
뎁지 계란기 레페
레레 탭 디초. 녜레.
계란기 야비용 가와리오레
녜 야비움. 카트만두라 요레.
유럽라 약 유럽에
유럽라 약 요마레.
텐진라 계란기 족표민 가라레
녜 족부 민 김정은 레.
계란기 족보 가와리오레
녜 족부 North Korea la 요레. Like this. Agosuma. Okay? That's it. 빼야 보채소. 니말라 두지체. 올라서. That's it. 빼야고. I think we can move on to this one. We can read well. agosuma. 다인다. 당보 니콜레 당 옌홍인 트시 니콜레인 하모 옌홍인
다시들레 나 텐진인 계란 수인
이 트시레 나 트시인 나고
다시들레 나 다신 계란 수인
nga hamogin kerang kanein
Na kamnein. Na kamnein. Kirang hasane inpe.
락인. nga 하사네인.
Kirangi palaki min karere.
nge palaki min 자시래.
Kirangi palaka kapariore.
nge palak 하사라 예래.
Kirangi genla kapariore.
nge gen라 캄라 예래. 아니 케랑키 파마 가발 예래.
Ge pama kamla yore. Kirangi achak biola yorepe.
nge 아작 회라 예래.
That's it. 빼하고 loso. Sorry, it's my mistake. This should be Tenzin. So,
That's fine.
listen. Oh yeah. 빼하고 loso. 연홍당 니콜레라 투지체.
Kujiche.
Oh yeah. Yeah, N Claire Tang Siwat in the N Claire Tang Siwat. Siwat Tenzin in N Claire Hamo in.
Okay, very difficult. Yeah.
Right, no problem.
Let's take it very slow.
Yes.
다시 들래. nga 전신인. 기랑 수인.
Nga klamoyin. Kirang kaneyin.
nga 감내인. 기랑 기랑 하사인.
Hasa.
그냥 하사인. 인페.
That's it. Yankerlo Tang Siwat na.
nga 감내인. 기랑 하사인. 인페.
Hasa ne yin pe. Like,
기랑. This is hasa or lasa?
Hasa la hata la. Ha. How goes it? Like this. Kirang hasa ne yin pe. Like this. Yeah.
Okay.
La kasa lak. Lak yin. Like this.
Lakasayin Hagomasong lakasa.
Okay, la casa is like when I say, yeah, en clair lak. Yeah, Siwat lak. Oh, yeah, yen hong lak. That lak. How goes on?
Lak. Okay. Lakin. Nga lasu yin.
Nga hasa ne yin.
Lasane yin.
That's it. Just like nga England ne yin.
Yin.
Nga hasa ne yin. That's it. We are doing good. Yeah.
What is Hasa?
The place name, capital city of Tibet. Ruba.
Lhasa. You mean Lhasa?
Hasa.
But they call it Hasa. Okay.
Yes, siwat la lo.
Kiranki balak ki kiming karere.
That's it. Keranki, palaki, ming, karere. That's it. Younger lo.
Kiranki balaki ming karere.
That's it.
Nye palak kiming
Take your time, no problem. One by one, you know how to read it.
Vakya.
Hmm?
Something she,
That's it.
but
Pa, ta, ratak, tra. Pa,
trashi,
ta, ratak, tra. Sha, kikushi, sa, shi. Trashi. Like this. How goes on?
trashi,
Oh, younger lo.
trashire.
Hmm?
Nye palak kiming trashila.
Trashi.
Tashi re.
That's it.
Tashire.
That's it.
Balak kapar yure.
Younger lo tang, siwat la.
Kiranki kiranki balak kapar yure.
That's it.
Kiranki balak kapar yure.
Hmm?
Nye palak hasala pe yin na yere.
That's it. Younger lo tang.
Nye palak hasala yere.
That's it. Hmm?
Kiranki kanglak kapar yure.
Genlak or gegen. Hmm? Ragataga na gen. Hmm? Younger lo tang, siwat la.
Kiranki genlak kapar yure.
Genlak, gegen, teacher. Keranki genlak, kapar yuri. Like this.
Nye genlak kamasa
Ka, masa, kam. Hmm?
kamla yere.
That's it. Nye genla kamla yuri. Kam
Nye.
is the place where I am from. Tibet.
Yes.
How goes on?
Yes.
Hmm?
Hagusum.
Like this. Okay? Hmm?
So, okay.
Ani. Kirang.
Marma, the end color.
Okay.
Ani.
Ani.
Okay, ani
Kiran.
is like a and at the starting of the sentence. Okay?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Ani. Kiranki palak.
Pama, pama.
Pama. Kapar yere.
That's it.
Nge pama kamla yure. Kiranki chak.
Achak, sister.
Kiranki achak pöla yure. Ne.
Kiranki achak pöla yurepe. That's it.
Nye achak pela yere.
That's it. We did very well. This is a little bit higher than our level, almost A1. So today I just tested. We did very well.
Thank you. It's your teaching. Yeah.
Yes, please. Himala Suntan.
Na tiwa enquerla yore.
Lasso.
Enquerla. How you distinguish nga and nya. Nga as I and nya as fish. Please say nga and nya.
That's it. Okay. Di nga re nga. When you say nga, you don't move your tongue. Leave the tongue down there. Open your mouth and throat is closed and then open and say nga, nga, like this. Okay? Nga, 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 like this. Okay? Then nya, nya, you have to touch your tongue on the upper mouth. Nya, nya, like this. Okay? Nya. Dini, dini, dradang, chikpa mare, hagosunga. Okay? That's it. Tujiche. We are doing very well, hagosunga. Okay? I suggest all of us to practice reading, hagosunga. Because we know how to speak now. Now we have to connect it with the shape of the letter. Hagosunga. Pay agocheso. Tujiche. Yeah, McGregor line there. McGregor thang Tara line there, yeah. McGregor thang Tara. McGregor tenzin in Tara lamo in.
Lamuyin, okay.
Dashi Delik Nga Tenzin Yin Kirang Suyin.
Tashi dile nga dara yin.
Dilo Darala. Right now you are Lamo, okay? Here.
Oh, lamo, okay. Nga lamo yin, kerang hane yin.
Nga Kam Ne Yin Kirang Sa Ne Yure. No, Yin Pe. I'll say that again. Nga Kam Ne Yin Kerang Hasa Ne Yin Pe.
That's it.
Lak yin, nga hasa yin pe. Nge yin.
Ne.
Ne yin. Yeah.
Yankerlo thang.
Nga hasa ne yin.
That's it. Okay? When you say Hasa, touch the tongue.
Hasa. Hasa.
No. Touch the tongue on the top, the back of the front teeth.
Hasa ne yin.
That's it. Okay.
But Tenzin, I still don't understand what Dara is saying in the first half of that when she says lak yin. What does that actually mean?
It's politely saying, yes, please, like this. It's just a sign of a respect. Agosuna lak. It's like, yeah, McGregor lak. McGregor lak, Tashi Delek, that lak. A sign of a respect. Agosuna.
Okay, Hakusong.
You can either just say yin. You can just say yin, Nal Hasan yin. But this is more like a polite way of speaking. Agosuna. Okay? We can get rid of this.
Okay.
No problem. Agosuna. Okay? That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Kirang ki palak ki ming karere. Kirang ki palak ki ming karere.
Nge palak ki ming Rashi re.
That's it. Yeah.
Kerang ki palak kapar yure.
That's it.
Nge palak hasa la yure.
Peyago darala.
Kerang ki genla ki genla yeah, kapar. Kerang ki genlak kapar yure.
Nge genlak kam la yure.
Yeah.
Ani kerang ki pama kapar yure.
That's it.
Nge pama kamla yure.
That's it.
Kerang ki achak pula yurepe.
Nge achak hola yure.
Pela yuri.
Hola yure.
Very good. Better than we expected. How goes peyago chess.
Difficult, but slowly cannot go fast, but slowly can attach words.
Yes. This is, I would say, good enough for A0 level. How goes
Thank you.
Very good.
Tugduche.
Peyago
It's
chess.
because of you, Tensila. We have a good Genla.
Not only me, you also self-study well. Okay? The main thing is you self-study well. How goes I cannot take the credit. Okay?
Tugduche. Tugduche.
Tenzila,
Yes.
I have the same question, but it's not question for you, it's question for McGregor. The previous time it was for Lenclair, now it's for McGregor. You say very clear ne, pama, and so on. But how you distinguish na and nya? Na and nya. When you say na, I see nya. So the question for McGregor is, how you distinguish na and nya? And so on.
I thought that nga is like with the English NG. That's how I've been trying to pronounce it.
Okay. Then this one. D.
Yeah, like NY. Nya.
Yeah. That's it. Clear. Very good. Peyago also.
Na lagapo yuge.
Very good. Peyago chess. Okay. Tadine, yeah, nimala tang nyurmala inda. Nimala tenzinin nyurmala alhamoin.
Normala. Kerang jelne gapoju. Normala.
La.
Normala. Taş dili. Natenzinin. Kerang suyin.
Nga hamoyin. Kerang kaneyin.
Nga kam neyin. Kerang hasa neyin pe.
Hakin. Nga hasaneyin.
Kerangi pala. Kerangi palaki min. Karere.
Nge pakla kimin tashile.
Teşire. Teşire pe.
Pe.
Kerangi pala. Kavar yöre. Kerangi pala kavar yöre.
Nge pala kasar ha yore.
Öyle. Kerangi genla kavar yöre.
Nge kela kamla yore. Ani kerangi pama kapar yore.
Nye Pama sala yore. Kerangi achak pyola yorepe.
Nge ajak pela yore.
That's it. Very good. Peyago chesum, peyago. Everybody did
Teacher,
very well. Agosuma. Okay? Oh yeah. Peyago.
Nirmala.
Very good. Nirmala tujichi, nimala tujichi. Peyago chesum. Okay? Very good.
Nirmala geshokere.
Then we shouldn't forget how to use duk. Okay? Perna? Pukudi kaparduk. Pukudi kaparduk. Pukudi yaki gangla duk. Like this. Okay? We use duk for just now. Direct experience, not general knowledge. All of those conversations are general knowledge. Keranki pala kapar yure. Keranki min karere. Kerang su yin. Keranki achak pela yure pe. Yorobla yak yure pe. All of this general knowledge. Hagosuma. That's why we didn't use duk. Hagosuma. Okay? That's it. Nyuku dini kapar duk. Nyuku dini gamki gangla duk. That's it. Hagosuma. Cha dini kapar duk. Cha dini gamki nangla duk. That's it. Hagosuma. Okay? Tepdi kapar duk. Tepdi gamki nangla duk. That's it. Agosuma, okay? Very good. Peyago cheso, peyago. Very good. Okay. Now maybe I will introduce some new words, okay?
Chancellor, I forgot what means balak.
Palak, amalak. Father, mother. Palak, father. Amalak, mother. Nyamtu, pama, parents. Agosuma. Okay? Like this. Then we know Kunchoksum kare kare re. Kunchoksum kare re. Kunchoksum sange chu gedun re. That's it. Agosuma. Okay? That's it. That's it. Okay. Then we should know this. Agosuma. Pa yatak cha. Okay? Pa yatak cha tang cha dradang chikpare. Agosuma. Pa yatak cha cha dradang chikpare. Agosuma. Dene pa yatak cha cha dradang chikpare. Agosuma. Okay? Then we learned ratak also. Okay? I will show you some example so that we remember it. Ka ratak tra. Pa ratak tra. Ta ratak tra. Tra tra tra. Dradang chikpare. Agosuma. Okay? Then we have ka ratak tra. Tra. Pa ratak tra. Agosuma. Okay? Then we have pa ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. Ta ratak tra. Right? Okay? Then you can practice like add kiku. Ka ratak tra kiku tree. Ka ratak tra shabkyu true. Ka ratak tra dringpo tre. Ka ratak tra naro tro. Like this. Okay? That's it. Then ka ratak tra kiku tree. Ka rata tra shabkyu true. Ka rata tra dengpo tre. Ka rata tra naro tro. Like this. Same chikparuva dela. Pa rata tra kiku tree. Pa rata tra shabkyu true. Pa rata tra dengpo tre. Pa rata tra naro tro. That's how you can practice. Like this. Very good. Oh yeah.
Could I just ask a question?
Yes, please.
You know, in the word tashi, so why is there, what effect does the pa have at the beginning, the first letter?
Very
pa?
good question. Very good question.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So, and Krela, you know that when it's a category, there is no effect. Right? When it's
okay.
Category de akosuma. Okay? That's why there is no effect.
Okay. Okay.
Also, when it's ha category, there is no effect. Right? When it's category, there is effect. For example, pa ratak tra or ba ratak dra, tra dra, like this. That you already know.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
That's it. Very good.
Easy to forget. Yeah.
That's it. That's it. It's been a long time. We must revision. Okay? That's it.
Tenzin, sorry, my ignorance again. Tashi. How does it become tashi? Ta. It's supposed to be tra or no?
Yes, it's not ta. It's tra. Trashi.
Trashi, right? So
That's
it's trashi, not tashi. Okay. Oh, so trashi. Okay. Because if I read what we spell it, it should be trashi. Okay.
That's it.
Dankeschön.
Today we will write down this. Gormo katsure. We all can write down this. New sentence. ¿Cuántos pesos? Gormo katsure.
Gormo katsure.
Gormo katsure. That's it.
Gormo katsure.
Gormo katsure. In Thailand, Thao Rai Kap. Like this.
Tenzin can speak Thai lah. Okay.
No. Very, very little. 1, 2.
1, 2 sentence. Okay.
This is.
So what is that? Gormo kachore means what?
Gormo katsure.
Means how much, huh?
That's it.
Gormo katsure. Linda.
Gormo katsure. That's it.
Gormo kachore.
Katsu is the question. Katsu, how many? How much?
Oh, katsu is how many? How much?
Very useful question. Please take it in account.
That's it. That's it. Gormo katsure. ¿Cuántos dólares?
And gormo means what?
Gormo, it could be any currency. You can just say Gormo katsure. If you say it in Thailand, it means baht. If you say it in India, it means rupees. There is no fixed meaning.
So what is the meaning of the sentence? Gormo
Just
Khachu.
translate, Darla.
Yeah, I
You
did.
understand
I
it.
did. How much is what?
Yes.
what?
That's it. How much? That's it.
How much is what? What is how much?
The money.
So,
Money. Gormo.
yeah, so you have to Gormo is what? Money?
No. Gormo is a currency. Any currency.
Okay, currency. Okay.
Any currency.
Okay. So in that case, we should say
If you say it in India,
Thailand.
it will
You
become
said then we should reply Thailand Gormo Baht Re.
That's it. Thailand Gormo Bhatre. That's
Okay. Oh, I clap to myself. Oh, I replied okay. Thank you.
But when you say Gormo Katsure, it simply means how much. Okay? That's it. Gormo Katsure. Okay? Oh yeah. That's it. Then you can say chik, ni, sum, shi, nga, tuk, dun, ge, gu, chu. Like this. Gormo chik re, gormo ni re, gormo sum re, gormo shi re, gormo nga re, gormo tuk re, gormo dun re, gormo ge re, gormo gu re, gormo chu re. Like this. Okay, that's it. Gormo katsure. You have written down already. Okay. I will write a number from 1 to 10 here. Agosuma. Chik, ni, sum, shi, nga, tuk, dun, ge, gu, chu. That's it. Okay. I will send this in the chat also. Okay.
Tenzin-la,
Go.
Tata, Lobchuk, Katsoyore.
Tata loktu kazu yore. Chik, ni, sum, shi, nga. Ale, no. Tuk, dun, ge, do ge.
Yeah, look.
That's
Not so, Lobchuk, yeah.
음,
Yore.
네네. 골목 가출이 하고서만 then you can say you can put here any number. Gormo chik re, gormo ni re, gormo sum re, gormo shi re, gormo nga re, gormo truk re, gormo dun re, gormo ge re, gormo gu re, gormo chu re. That's it. 하고서만 okay? That's it. 빼하고 채소. Gormo kazure, gormo chu re. Like this. ¿Cuántos pesos?
Your Spanish is beautiful, no, Marcelo, today.
Boom, boom. Oh, sorry. You can write them now. if not finish. Chik ni sum shi nga tu du ge wu chu. Okay. If you know this much, then it's very easy. Chu chik, chu ni, chu sum, chu shi, chu nga, chu tu, chu dun, chu je, chu gu. Like this. Okay. Chu chik, chu ni, chu sum. Like this.
Chu sum.
Very easy.
And then 20 is Nichu.
That's it.
Okay.
A little bit different. Okay. It's like a ni chu, but not ni chu, ni shu. We have a little bit made it different.
Nishu.
Okay. That's it. Then sum chu, that's very easy. Same. Sum chu, shi chu, nga chu, chup chu, dun chu, ge chu,
Gep chu.
chu.
Gup chu.
Then gya, like this.
Ya. Nga tang pa.
Ni gya, sum
Ni
gya,
gya.
shi
Sum
gya,
gya. Shu
nga
gya.
gya, chup
Ma
gya,
gya.
dun
Chup
gya,
gya.
ge
Dum
gya,
gya.
gu
Ge
gya,
gya.
chik,
Chu gya.
like this. Chik tong.
Tong.
Gyar is 30.
Gya is 100.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
30 is sum chu. That's it.
Sumchu. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
And Claire, wow. So nice to see you today.
We will learn this.
Really.
Cosma. Okay. Then
How do you write the gya? The 100?
gya.
Uh-huh.
Sum jo, like this.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 100. Okay.
Very good, very good. Pay attention. We are doing very well. I will encourage you to do homework, read, practice reading. Then when we start A1, we will go smoothly. Okay?
Hakosong.
So, Anton, what should we read? We should just read
Yes,
the documents.
text that I sent there. That is enough. I will today also send the conversation here. Send this A0 conversation. You can change it. Tashi deleg nga siwat yin, kerang su yin, like this. Practice like this. Nga Denmark ne yin, kerang Denmark ne yin pe, or kerang Lhasa ne yin pe, anything like this. Okay? Like this. You can practice it. Kerang ki uranium to practice she. Tashi deleg siwat yin, kerang su yin, nga yuri yin, kerang kane yin, like this. Nga Denmark ne yin, kerang Ukraine ne yin pe, like this. Okay? Very good. Like this you can practice. Okay? Very good. I will send this conversation in the group chat. Practice it. Reading.
Hakosong.
Yes, please.
Last time you sent homework Paradiso Calare. Paradiso Calare. Can you show this text again? Paradiso Calare. Paradiso Pepe Calare.
He's in
I
the
think
mood to sing.
I think it's a song. No.
Still insists it's a song.
Shimiogla, senlade ogla. No, paradiso, pepe calare. Paradiso calare. Paradiso pepe calare. I think it's a song. It's a real song. Paradiso calare. Oh, no problem. I remember. Paradiso calare. Paradiso pepe calare. Paradiso calare. Paradiso pepe calare. Pardila momore. Pardila momo gorgorere.
Oh, dire.
Momo nanla. Maybe this one.
Dimare, dimare. Kamachi.
Momo, shashimpoyu, momo nanla shashimpoyure.
That's it. Yuri, yuri. Oh,
No. I will try to sing the song. It's really song. Yes. Paradiso calare. Pupi calare. Caladitsu momore. Momo gormore. Momo ginanla.
Sharala, how old are you?
Darla,
How old are you?
Darla, give me a way to sing. Momo dinanla, shashimpo yore, momo shimpo yore, sail, momo dinanla, sail shimpo yore, kalaji marere. Jivachugi mare, marpe shimporiore, chopola mariore, kalaji, what is this? Kalaji, kalaji paklepre, paklep korgore, paklep ji, paklep shimpo yore. Paklep ji churare. Rai churare. Chura kalpore. Chura shimpo yore. Chokpola. Chura dang marpo yore. Chura la. Chura dang marpo yore.
that's it.
Thank you.
Beagwa, Nimala. Thank you. I
How
will
old are
send
you,
this
my friend? 10 years old?
I will send this also. Practice reading this and today's conversation. Agosuna. Okay? Then I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for coming. Rashid Dele.
Thank you, our dear Tenzin La.
Tudeche.
You're the best.
Tudeche.
Tudeche.
That's it. Tudeche. So that's it. Okay.